without flour recipe. Healthy and delicious. Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to bake delicious chocolate oat banana cake without using flour recipe. Hope you like it. This recipe doesn't require milk either. Are you curious about what I added? Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: banana, egg, instant oat. Peel and mash banana thoroughly. I use ripe banana for this recipe. Place banana paste into baking container. Add 1 egg. Mix both ingredients together. Mix cocoa or chocolate powder with water. About 70 milliliters of water is enough. Add into egg liquid and mix well. Send to oven, bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees. Smell great. The cake is puffy and so cute. Cake is ready to serve. Remove cake from baking plate. Because I made a small portion, it's just a thin slice. It doesn't look very good, but it tastes really delicious. This cake is really simple and easy to make, and you don't have to worry about gaining weight, even if you eat more. I didn't add sugar because the bananas are already ripe and will have a natural sweetness to them, and I like the bitter taste of cocoa. Make it at home for your family. It's also great for breakfast or afternoon tea. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Bananas are rich in a variety of nutrients, one of the key ones being dietary iron. Iron supplementation can promote the production of red blood cells and hemoglobin, strengthen blood supply, relieve anemia, and promote the delivery of nutrients to the whole body. In addition, eating bananas can also help regulate body temperature. Whether you have a fever in autumn or winter, or the temperature is hot in summer, eating bananas is beneficial. Eating bananas can maintain normal blood sugar, thereby soothing the nervous system, calming the mind, and relaxing the body. Generally speaking, it is recommended to consume 2 to 3 bananas a day. Excessive intake is harmful to health. In addition, it should be noted that bananas are not suitable for everyone. These special groups should be cautious when eating bananas. Bananas contain a lot of magnesium, potassium, and other elements. Although these mineral elements are necessary for human health, if you take too much at once in a short period of time, it will cause an imbalance in the proportion of potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, and other elements in the body, which will harm your health. In addition, eating too many bananas will also cause gastrointestinal dysfunction and excessive mood swings due to a significant reduction in gastric acid secretion. Therefore, bananas should not be consumed excessively. Which foods cannot be eaten with bananas? Bananas and taro are incompatible. Eating them together will cause stomach discomfort and bloating. Bananas and sweet potatoes cannot be eaten together. Eating them together will cause adverse biochemical reactions and cause physical discomfort. Potatoes and bananas cannot be eaten together. Eating them together will cause adverse biochemical reactions and cause facial spots. Yogurt and bananas are incompatible. Eating them together will cause adverse biochemical reactions and produce carcinogens. Acute nephritis patients cannot eat bananas. Aspirin and bananas are incompatible. The best time to eat bananas is breakfast, lunch, or after exercise and in hot weather. As long as you maintain a reasonable intake, bananas are a healthy and delicious food choice. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.